welcome back again to this great episode of our weekly video, and welcome back to STD Farm. This is your Greek professor. As you already know, here we keep teaching you a lot about farming. Today we're going to do some free range with our sheep. So we brought them out. Normally we bring them out around 11 to 10 p.m. That's where the sun shines and the animals come out to eat.
We leave the animals to come out and graze around this time because in the morning the grass are wet. We have some worms on the grass, so we leave them to come out around 11 o'clock. That's the time the grass get dry and they will be free from worms and other animals. We have about 5 acres of land that the animals graze on. We do rotational grazing. We give them about 2 acres of land to graze on each week. So if they graze on this land for the whole week, next week we have to change different parts for them to graze on, whilst the other part that they graze on will be recovering. From our experience, we never run out of grass for them to graze on because we do the rotational grazing very well. So we leave some parts of the land for it to regeminate whilst they feed on the other parts of the land. These animals are very sensitive. They know where to go each week. So when we open them, they know this week we are supposed to go and graze on this part of land. And also we leave them to graze for about 3 to 4 hours until they are well fed. When they are well fed, you will notice it. They will be standing in groups and wouldn't want to eat any food. So that's the time we need to push them back into their pen and give them the supplementary feed from different companies like the wheat brown or the cassava pills and other stuff that we feed them on. Maybe today will be the first time you're coming across our video. You are not mistaken. This is the right channel for you to learn more about farming. Click on the subscription button, like our video, share it, and let's keep growing. STD Farm, we are the best.